So welcome everybody, welcome to our beautiful Canadian weather, and we are Fleming Forestry students. I'm Chad Beebe.
I'm Lucas Timmermans, and we're here today to present to you common, non-Canadian trees that are extensively used in Canada. Okay, so here we're at our first specimen. It's also known as Tilia cordata, or small-leaf linden. It's found commonly within the urban landscape on private properties, public parks, for example. Just like our native basswood, Tilia americana, it is certainly identified by its shell-like buds. As well, it has a very smaller shaped leaf, but still a cordate shape, heart shape at the base. And as well, just like basswood, it's very common to see sprouts and multi-stemmed specimens throughout the landscape. Another very nice specimen to see in the spring as it flowers wonderfully. So here we are, our specimen of Tilia cordata.
Here we are at our second species, the Norway maple. Quick identification lesson. You can see that it's very similar to other maple species with its oppositely arranged buds and the very similar shape to other maples. And it is commonly confused with sugar maple to people who aren't versed very well on tree identification. So a reason that the Norway maples were introduced to North America for the urban environment was because of their tolerance to drought and also their tolerance to pollution. And in the modern day we see it a lot because it's tolerant to road salt. So I'll bring in my companion Lucas here to
Thank you, Chad.
about...
Yeah, thank you, Chad. The downside though of Norway maple is the fact that prolific cedars and highly invasive. In addition, it is very susceptible to frost cracks, as we can see right here. Right here, a nice distinguished frost crack, and it's very prone to many diseases, such as this tree right here that has a frost crack and Unipella canker. So this we have Acer platanoides, Norway maple.
Okay, so here we are at our final species, the Norway spruce, also by its scientific name of Pica aves. This is the largest spruce found in Ontario, and it's commonly identified by its very large and slender pine cones, and as well as its very droopy appearance. As you look at the branches, you can see that all of these leaders droop below. Because of this, it's a very common species used in windbreaks, and it's also it's very good at coping with urban environments. Alright everybody, thank you for tuning into our video. That's all we have for today.
And continue your search to find other interesting trees in your neighborhood.